have something to say, silence is a lie. I don't think that you have any insight whatsoever into your capacity for good until you have some well-developed insight into your capacity for evil. And if you think tough men are dangerous, wait until you see what weak men are capable of. If you fulfill your obligations every day, you don't need to worry about the future. To suffer terribly and to know yourself as the cause, that is hell. Perhaps you are overvaluing what you don't have and undervaluing what you do. If you are not willing to be a fool, you can't become a master. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Ideologies are substitutes for true knowledge, and ideologues are always dangerous when they come to power, because the simple-minded, I-know-it-all approach is no match for the complexity of existence. Telling people you're virtuous isn't a virtue, it's self-promotion. Virtue signaling is not virtue. Virtue signaling is quite possibly our commonest vice. Nietzsche said that a man's worth was determined by how much truth he could tolerate. There's a worthy and noble ambition, strength in the face of adversity, that is very different from the wish for a life free of trouble. There are so many ways that things can fall apart or fail to work altogether, and it is always wounded people who are holding it together. Don't underestimate the power of vision and direction. These are irresistible forces, able to transform what might appear to be unconquerable obstacles into traversable pathways and expanding opportunities. That the soul of the individual eternally hungers for the heroism of genuine being, and that the willingness to take on that responsibility is identical to the decision to live a meaningful life. Alongside our wish to be free of rules, we all search for structure. Up yours, woke moralists. We'll see who cancels who. There is nothing Christian about #social justice. Redemptive salvation is a matter of the individual soul. Kindness is the excuse that social justice warriors use when they want to exercise control over what other people think and say. People organize their brains with conversation. If they don't have anyone to tell their story to, they lose their minds. What can be truly loved about a person is inseparable from their limitations. When you have something to say, silence is a lie, and tyranny feeds on lies. That the soul of the individual eternally hungers for the heroism of genuine being. Lobsters have more in common with you than you might think, particularly when you are feeling crabby. Ha 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 ha. True thinking is rare, just like true listening. 90% of communication occurs using just 500 words. A hurricane is an act of God, but failure to prepare when the necessity for preparation is well known. That's sin. Telling people you're virtuous isn't a virtue, it's self-promotion. Virtue signaling is not virtue. Virtue signaling is, quite possibly, our commonest vice. Your inaction, inertia, and cynicism removes from the world that part of you that could learn to quell suffering and make peace.